Okay, so there are 89 people altogether. That's a two-digit number. So we're going to assume that all of the people in the population we're choosing from are numbered from 00 to 89. So I'm sorry, 01, first person, through 89. So 01, 02, and so on and so forth. And so we're told to start in row 3, column 6. So I'm going to go row 3. I'm going to go all the way over, find where that matches up with column 6, and that is where the 9 is. But remember, I need two-digit numbers, so I'm going to basically be looking at columns 6 and 7. And so the first two-digit number starting in row 3, column 6 is 99, but there's only 89 people, so I don't take 99. So then I move down and I go below that to the next two-digit number from columns 6 and 7, and that's 48. So that's my first person. So 48, the 48th person is going to be my first person. I move down to the next two-digit number, and that's 42. So that's good. I take that person. The next two-digit number is 96, and again, that's too big. So now the idea is I want to go to the next column, but remember I need two-digit numbers. So I'm now going to be in column, I guess that's 8. So I go to the top, and I take the two-digit number starting in column 8. So that's columns 8 and 9, and that's 47, and that number's good. So I check that off, and then keep moving down, and I get person 12, and then I move down and I get person 60, and then I move down and I get person 79. And I move down and I get person 90, but of course there aren't 90 people, so I ignore the 90. I move down, I go to 68. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people so far, so I got to keep going. So I'm going to go up to the next column, and but now I'm in column 10, right? So that would be the 7, but I need a two-digit number, so I'm just going to go over to column 11. Don't worry about the gap. It doesn't really mean anything. So the next two digits are 75, so I take person 75. And then 64, and I think that's it. I forget how many people you needed in the sample, but so that's it. So, or you would keep going if you need more people, but that's how we get the random numbers of the people who are going to be in our random sample.